Hey there, this is Sandy, Root at Root Acupuncture. So I've had a request to do a tutorial for facial cupping. I do facial rejuvenation or cosmetic acupuncture in my practice in Miami Beach, and part of that facial does include facial cupping once we take the needles out. And for those who don't know, facial rejuvenation acupuncture is really good for giving a nice lift. It softens fine lines. It can help reduce thicker lines, and it just gets the blood activated in the face, the lymph flow, and the musculature really gives it a nice plump and helps also to boost collagen and elastin in the face. But for the cupping, you'd want to get like a serum or an oil. Oftentimes I'll just do it at home when I cleanse my face. I usually do hemp oil for oil cleansing my face, and so I'll just do it as I'm cleansing in the morning usually, because it before you go out too, it just gives you like a nice blush. So you can go ahead and just, when you're doing it, just put on a nice serum or an oil, again like hemp oil or jojoba, and just get it around on your face. You can do the neck too if you like, but for now I'll just do the face. So you'll have your little face cup. These are silicones, so you can get these on Amazon, or I can put some examples below for you. So you just squeeze it on when you're ready, and I usually do about 5 swipes per area. If you have more sensitive skin or you tend to get redder quicker, you can do less, 2 or 3. So I start along the jawline here to lift up the jowls. That's what my patients call the jowlsies. And then I do next to the mouth and up to really help. If you have creases here, this really helps to lift that up. So I do, again, 5 on each side, and you could go back side to side. I usually just start on one side and then go to the other side, but I'm just doing both at once to show you. And then up higher on the cheekbone, and this is where you can start to see the glow, the blood flowing. And yeah, this is really great because the suction is opening up the muscle layers and getting the blood flowing in there. And then I do these muscles right above the eyebrows. If you have these little lines here, like I have little ones there that I have been needling, so they're definitely much better than they were. On the forehead, I tend to do more because it doesn't get quite as red. And if you are on screens a lot of times we don't even realize how much we're using these muscles when we're focusing our eyes on screens, on the phone or the laptop. And then you can go up a little higher on the forehead if you have fine lines up here. Very nice to plump them up. And then I just do like a few going up this way. So the main motion we want overall is everything to be going up in an upward direction, because that helps to give the lift. And then if you do have jaw tension, it's really nice to like give a little few movements along the jaw there. And then at the end, it's nice to sort of just move everything down. You don't even have to put the suction on, just to get the lymph flow going back down into the neck. And that's it. It's, pretty simple, and it doesn't take a lot of time. And, often even when I'm cleansing my face, I'll do the same motions just with my fingers, just to give the face a little massage. We so often don't give our faces all that love. We might slap on some things and get going, and maybe sometimes take better care of our bodies with massages and stuff, but so nice to give the face this activation, because it really does make a big difference in the way you're looking on your skin. So I'm here if you have any questions in the comments, or please feel free to leave them there. If you're in the Miami area, come visit. And I'll also link below a site of all natural, toxin-free holistic products. A lot of them are skincare, and I love their products for the skin. So thank you so much, and I hope this helps. Bye.